Overdose outbreak in central Georgia, middle Georgia, cost a hospital hundreds of thousands of dollars. Patients took fake pain pills containing fentanyl. They had been altered. And Channel 2's Tom Regan live at the state capitol. Tom, that new information came out in an event drawing attention to this epidemic across Georgia.
Yeah, the growing death toll from this drug epidemic has lawmakers, health officials, and law enforcement rallying together to come up with ways to stop it. And they have the full support of the families of overdose victims.
My husband walked in and was getting dusted up to go to work, and he was already dead.
Lisa Manning recently lost her son to an overdose of what she believes was fentanyl. She was one of about a dozen families courageously taking a stand and speaking out about a drug epidemic that's taking young lives without warning, leaving families and friends devastated.
Look at these guys. They don't look like your typical stigma addicts. None of these ladies and gentlemen that these people are holding in their pictures are loved ones. None of those people look like your stigma of an addict.
He was released on Mother's Day from Gwinnett County jail system, and within 2 weeks he was dead.
Kathy Abraham, whose son died from a drug overdose just 5 weeks ago, says it's time to sound the alarm to children.
Our goal is to start reaching our students and our kids at a younger age, even in 4th grade.
Fake Percocet pills that contained fentanyl triggered a rash of 30 overdoses, 5 fatal, in central Georgia in early June. The director of a hospital that treated many of the patients said they were prepared, but it stretched their resources.
It's an overwhelming burden to the system when you have that kind of outbreak. It costs hundreds of thousands of dollars in expense to take care of some of the survivors that were on the ventilator for several days.
If you think you're popping a pill that is oxycodone, guess what? It is not what you think it is.
State Senator Renee Utterman, who we had in our 4 o'clock story, organized this event. She is pushing for more state funding of drug treatment centers. Live in downtown Atlanta, Tom Regan, Channel 2 Action News.